Previously, we discussed all the essential elements that make up a sentence: blue nouns, red verbs, yellow adjectives, and green adverbs. Today, we will talk about how to use these four elements to write correct sentence structures. The combination of sentences can be very simple or very complex, but if we carefully understand, we will find that there are 5 ways to correctly write sentences. To make it easier for students to understand these 5 sentence structures, we use colors to represent each element. This helps students remember the basic structure of each sentence. When reading articles or even writing by yourself, understanding the structure of sentences not only helps you grasp the main writing purpose of the author, but also makes it easier to express your own ideas accurately when writing. Placing different elements in the correct positions also helps readers understand your thoughts correctly and quickly. In these 5 sentence structures, green adverbs are not included. As mentioned earlier, the main function of adverbs is to provide additional information. This additional information allows readers to know more about verbs, adjectives, and even other adverbs. Now, let's take a look at what these 5 sentence structures are like. Pattern number 1 consists of 1 blue and 1 red. For example, dogs bark. Noun plus verb. Pattern number 2 is blue, red, with a border blue or border yellow at the end. For example, her classroom looked so welcoming. Noun plus verb plus subject complement. Pattern number 3 is blue, red, and blue. For example, the dog chases the cat. Noun plus verb plus noun. Pattern number 5 is blue, red, blue with a border blue or a border yellow at the end. For example, the boy calls the big cat mighty. Noun plus verb plus noun plus object complement. Pattern number 4 is blue, red, blue, and blue. For example, the boy gives the cat some food. Noun plus verb plus noun plus noun. In the upcoming video, we will explain the meanings of these colors and the circled blue and circled yellow in more detail. Stay tuned for the next video.